Ta-da! A portable gadget which you can bring anywhere. Or what about this sleek backpack? Want more? Check out this multi-purpose gadget. Stick around, we have a lot more. All the links to the products are in the description below. Fixar 007 Fixed Wing Drone. Meet your commercial and industrial needs with the Fixar 007 Fixed Wing Drone. Offering a 60-minute flight time, it's perfect for drone mapping and inspections, aerial imaging, surveillance, monitoring, and more. Furthermore, this fixed-wing drone only requires 5 minutes to set up and can take off and land vertically. Additionally, you can equip it with a range of sensors and it can accommodate multiple payloads at once for fewer flights. Spencer Page Luxury Travel Toiletry Bag. Carry all your essentials in style with the Spencer Page Luxury Travel Toiletry Bag. It fully closes even when holding most travel items, and it boasts a timeless design. Exquisitely crafted, it includes multiple storage compartments and has expandable pockets. Designed in Canada with quilted jacquard, this patented toiletry bag incorporates 12 compartments and 3 clear expandable storage sections. Moreover, it has a hidden pocket, pockets that hold 100ml bottles, a removable evening bag, and a carry-on slip pocket. Glorious Model I Ergonomic Gaming Mouse. Stay in control of games with the Glorious Model I Ergonomic Gaming Mouse. With a lightweight design of 68 grams and a highly comfortable ergonomic shape, it's super pleasurable to use for extended gaming sessions. Moreover, this gaming mouse includes 9 programmable buttons with 2 customizable magnetic thumb buttons, and 2 of the 4 thumb buttons are easily swappable for a perfect form in your hand. In fact, with an abundance of programmable buttons, you can easily assign useful shortcuts to suit your play. Yeti Hopper M20 Backpack Soft Cooler. Stay cool on the go with the Yeti Hopper M20 Backpack Soft Cooler. Designed with hands-free cooler straps and ultra-strong magnets that keep the cold locked in, it's ideal for hot conditions. Moreover, the MagShield access opens wide, enabling you to easily load beer, ice, sandwiches, and more while everything stays cool. In particular, cold cell insulation utilizes closed cell foam technology to keep refreshment and snacks cold and keep hot air out. This backpack also uses powerful magnets for an ultra-leak resistant shield that stays open when you load your belongings and locks securely. Quare Plasma Go Travel Size Medical Grade Air Purifier. Boasting 2 powerful purification technologies, the Quare Plasma Go Portable Air Purifier effectively neutralizes harmful particles in the air. Developed in partnership with a top university, it uses a proactive cleaning method via Quare's plasma ion system and a reactive approach via a medical-grade HEPA filter coated with MAP1 technology. The former releases positive and negative ions that work together to extract life-sustaining hydrogen from airborne pathogens. The latter uses the filter to trap pathogens and leverages the antimicrobial coating to break them down. Together, they clean your entire breathing space. Furthermore, the device comes with a removable battery, so you can take it anywhere you want. Rain's Backpack Mini Sleek Laptop Backpack. Protect your essentials while you're out and about with the Rain's Backpack Mini Sleek Laptop Backpack. This modern bag boasts a minimal silhouette and a prominent flap. Then the carabiner closure ties it all together. The Backpack Mini has a laptop pocket that fits a 13-inch laptop with a sleeve or a 15-inch laptop without one. You'll be happy to know that the bag features Rain's signature waterproof PU fabric. This means the bag is durable and smooth to the touch. Moreover, a main internal zip compartment and concealed external phone pocket on the back ensure this bag has room for other necessity items. SanDisk Professional G-Drive Pro Studio Aluminum SSD. Work more productively and efficiently when you have the SanDisk Professional G-Drive Pro Studio Aluminum SSD. It includes a generous 7.68 terabyte capacity and dual Thunderbolt 3 ports for daisy chaining up to 5 additional devices. All the while, its aluminum stackable design helps to keep your workspace clutter-free. Moreover, this SanDisk SSD offers transfer rates up to 2600 megabytes a second, enabling you to edit footage in real time for minimal production time. In fact, with these speeds, you can edit and export with ease thanks to the super fast transfer rates. CapTrek GPS Outdoor Guide. We're an all-in-one device that helps keep you safe on adventures. The CapTrek GPS Outdoor Guide. Not only does it have GPS and sport tracking features, but it also acts as a smartwatch and an outdoor communicator. Additionally, this safety device is also a remote control for your drone and action camera. Get security, community, and connectivity in one with CapTrek. It even has an SOS button that offers an emergency SOS e-call feature. Whether you ski, hike, run, mountain bike, climb, mountaineer, canoe, ride horses, or do something else, it can help. Resistant to cold, water, heat, dust, and bumps, it won't fail you when you need it. Arccos Smart Golf Sensors Gen 3 Plus. Capture 98% of all tee shots with the Arccos Smart Golf Sensors Gen 3 Plus. Powered by AI, this golf accessory helps pinpoint your shots throughout an entire golf course. Moreover, these Arccos golf sensors provide accurate shot tracking to help you become a winner. In particular, with strokes gained analytics, you'll know exactly what areas of the game you need to improve for the best results. Best of all, you'll be able to see how many strokes you gain or lose with every club. Furthermore, the GPS rangefinder provides information on wind speed and direction, temperature, humidity, and altitude. Hubble Connected Nursery Pal. Keep tabs on your baby with the Hubble Connected Nursery Pal Premium. Unlike other baby monitors, this gadget doubles as an interactive viewer for parents and an entertainment tablet for infants. This 2-in-1 design makes it perfect for monitoring your baby while also entertaining them. In fact, the tablet mode includes videos, educational games, and stories all curated for babies and toddlers. Moreover, this parent and baby gadget features a 5-inch HD touchscreen that offers remote, tilt, and pan functions. It also offers live streaming and has a protective bumper and a flashlight. CurvaPen Ergonomic Writing. Enjoy better penmanship and numerous other benefits with the CurvaPen Ergonomic Writing Instrument. Its unique design makes it comfortable for both left and right-handed people to use. Moreover, this patented writing utensil provides an elegant new way of writing that addresses a wide range of challenges for writers. No longer will ink smudge on your hand, will you have to contort your fingers, or will you lose control? This multi-purpose pen is ideal for writing, journaling, taking notes, sketch contouring, and shading lines. Model Infinity Tool. The Infinity Tool is a new kind of flexible multi-tool that can take on limitless configurations. It's strong, stretchy, and modular, meaning you can connect multiple together for whatever you need. Able to hold up to 70 pounds of weight, it lets you hang toolboxes, gear, buckets, coolers, and more. It also has cinching functionality so you can use it to tie down your cords, rope, tent, anything. Made of platinum silicone, it won't scratch your beloved gear. The Infinity Tool is also the start of a new ecosystem. With the release of new studs, the Infinity Tool's functionality and personality will grow exponentially going into the future. SmallRig RC120B Bicolor Point Source Video Light. Perfect photo shoots and videos wherever with the SmallRig RC120B Bicolor Point Source Video Light. It adopts CLV high luminescence efficiency integrated with surface light source technology to provide the best environment for photographers. Moreover, it features high-quality lamp beads to ensure accuracy and stability to complement any photo shoot. The SmallRig RC120B Bicolor Point Source Video Light also emits 52,800 lumens within 1 meter for plenty of light. Above all, with an extensive temperature range of 2700 to 6500 K, you can adjust how warm or cool you want the light source to be. Riverbank Battery. There's nothing duller than a portable battery in the chromed and colorful world of consumer electronics. They're thick, dense slabs of lithium-ion cells we carry not because we want to, but because we have to. So what if I told you there's a long-lasting battery with as much gadget appeal as Google's doomed Project Ara? Meet the modular 94 watt-hour, 25,600 milliamp-hour Riverbank from Battery Upstart's EcoFlow. It doesn't look like a typical battery, because it's not. It can charge up to 5 devices simultaneously or act as a 3-port USB hub while charging your laptop.